This is crazy, guys. Look at this. We just got multiple spikes on crash 1000. You can see my entry right there. Though I had another entry up here before the first spike. This was the first entry somewhere here before the first spike. All right. And I've also shared this signal with my guys, with my VIP guys. All right. So we are in deep profits. We've secured some profits. Remember, I told you guys that I'm working on this 10% challenge where we make 10% every day. You have like $50. You can join this challenge. It will last for 30 days. Once you join the challenge, you make 10% every day. You make 10%, like you have $50 up to $100. You make 10%. Let's say you have $100. That means you're making $10 daily. All right. So after like 10 days, we now increase the capital because you've made like 10 days profit. The capital will be increased. Then that means you'll be making more than $10 daily. So that way, in 1 month, we'll be able to make so much profit. It would make up to $700 or $750 thereabout from my calculation earlier on at the end of the month. Okay, so that's a nice project, a nice challenge for everyone to join. So I've given this signal to those my guys, and they are making money already. They've secured over 20% already because we made like you see, we made like $14 each position. All right, so we've closed like 2 positions. We still have a few positions running. All right, so that's it. Now, why did I give this call on crash 1000? Crash 1000 is an uptrend. Market has been going up for a while now, for a long time now. You can see that. Okay, market has been going up for a long time now. So I decided to short crash 1000 because market just entered our key level. So let me delete this out. Let me delete everything out. Then we do it again. Why did I give the call? I want to show you guys my reason for the call. All right. So first of all, you want to identify your key level, which is that level there. Okay. And you need to focus on your current price, and that's our key level there. This is another key level right here. We can use that one there. This is our key level right there. Okay, so we've gotten our key levels, though yesterday candlestick closed bearish with a rejection, which is not a good sign for us to short today. But I know the market will be selling because market has been buying for a very long time. So let's check here on the daily time frame. Let's go back to the left. You can see on the left, market reversed around this level before. You can see that level here. There was a reversal right there. So that shows there's a pressure. There's a bearish pressure here. All right. There's a pressure right there. Okay. And you can see this one again. We have a rejection. We have that candlestick that rejected that level. So there's a pressure right there. You can see reversal here too. So we have some rejections and reversal around this level again. So there's a pressure. There's a strong pressure around this level, that zone, which will reverse price. You can see the same thing over and over, like 2 places here again. So I know that markets will be selling from that level today. Okay, so that's why I gave the sell call. Now, market has gotten back to the key level. So let's go down to 4 hours time frame to understand what the market is actually doing. Now, we can see that we had an extension, like a break of structure. We were going up here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is the last higher low. Then market gave us a higher high. This is the last higher high. So remember, last higher low and last higher high. So market went below the last higher low. What does it mean? It broke this level and broke this other one, and it has given us a new low already. So now remember, since it has given us a new low, this is the last low and this is the last high. So until market goes above this level before we know that we are in an uptrend. But since market gave us a break of these 1 and 2 structures, that means we are in a downtrend. So whatever we are seeing here is just an internal structure. These are internal structures. Okay, these are internal structures, and I had to wait for market to pull back to a key level, and you can see the drop. So I check on the 1 hour time frame. You see, 1 hour time frame printed a strong bearish engulfing candlestick. You can see that candlestick there, strong bearish engulfing candlestick. That was a sign that markets will be selling. All right, as simple as that, bro. You don't even need to do much. Just don't label your chart and make it look like it's something tough. Very simple. You make your money. You can see that, and the spike happens. I gave the call immediately. I gave the call. Spike started happening, and we are in massive profit as we speak. So we'll be smashing our TP pretty soon here and close out with good profits. We've taken some profits already and move our SL. I also have signal on the VIX 25. I feel really bad because I didn't risk much on VIX 25. I was still expecting market to pull back into this range before the next move. So if you're looking for a place that you can be making consistent profits every day by getting my signals, you can check the description to join my free Telegram channel and chat me up, okay, that you want to be making consistent profit every day. I'll assist you on that. Okay, we have a VIP channel where we give signals every day, and also mentorship. You want to learn to know how to do this stuff on your own and make your money by yourself, like without waiting for anybody, without relying on an indicator or anybody at all before you can make money from the market. You want to analyze as a pro and stand out. I can teach you on how to do that. It's very simple how to do it. Combine everything and show you a perfect trading system with psychology and proper risk management. All right. So you can see here, I've been waiting for this call for a very long time. My community, we've been sharing. I shared this this setup some time ago that I'm looking to buy at this price. So when the market started buying, I actually expected market to break out from this range. There's a range here. I expect the market to break out from this range, all right, then come into the range again, something like this, come into the range and start buying already. So not knowing that what the market did here was actually coming into the range, though it did not enter as expected. This one here, you can see, gave us this level, and there was a rejection into this range, but it did not tap into the range properly as expected, and then they move. So I've been scammed. I've been tricked. So I actually expect the market to come inside so that I can open with multiple positions, so many with big lot size, and make so much profit. So that's it. And step index also was looking at buying step index. Let me see what we have there on step index. Look at that. Step index is buying already massively. So we know how this market moves. We predict this market, and I've been waiting for step index for quite a long time. You can see it drop into my level here and started buying. So bro, we give quality signals, high probability signals, and we make good profits every day. So this is not a joke. This is not a scamming platform. So join, let's make money together. All right, that'll be all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.